Hi, I'm Bobbi Brown, makeup artist, and I'm here with Tweezerman to show you how you can get literally the most beautiful makeup by prepping your skin and taking care of your skin. So the first step is to look at your brows and see if there's any little hairs that need tweezing. So I'm using the slanted tweezer. There might be a couple little guys. Okay, so her brows are awesome. So now I want to show you how you could prep the skin so you don't need a lot of makeup. Make sure on a daily basis that you wear sunscreen because you have to protect your skin. But when you're at home, I really love this tool. I've recently just discovered it, and I'm someone that believes that by exfoliating your face, it just leaves a healthier skin underneath. This is the Microderm Tool, and what I love about it is that it really does help get rid of dead skin, and it just makes your skin so fresh and healthy, and it helps absorb your moisturizer better and makes your foundation look better. This tool is not for everybody. If you have super sensitive skin, I would avoid it. And also if you have acne or any kind of issues, you should probably ask your dermatologist, and I guarantee they're gonna say be a little careful. But for most people, this is gentle enough to use once or twice a week. And the trick is to go in one direction because it's a little more gentle, and you literally just gently rub it across the skin. You don't actually see skin being exfoliated, but it is, because you'll feel it to the touch. Feel your skin, how soft. You can actually turn it over and see the skin on the blade. It's so easy to clean, a little soap and water, and it's always ready to go. And I would suggest using this once or twice a month. It's not an everyday product, but it does make a big difference. You'll see how natural and beautiful your skin looks, because I'm all about really quick makeup that just literally makes you look like you're not wearing any. And if you can't do your makeup in under 5 minutes, there's something wrong. So after using the tool, I just applied some very light skincare because honestly, it absorbs right in her skin. It will make her skin look really hydrated for the next step, which is foundation. Whether it's foundation or a tinted moisturizer, when your skin is soft and smooth and healthy, you don't need a lot. And I like to apply it right over the moisturizer. And I love a dewy but not over shiny look. And when choosing foundation, tinted moisturizer, it has to be the exact color of the skin. I also love a little bit of color on the cheek. And I love a product that does 3 things at once. You could use this as a blush, you could use it on the lips as lip color, and this is why it only takes a couple minutes to get out of the door in the morning. You can even use that on your eyes. And then last, you throw on a mascara and your brows are perfect, your skin is perfect, and you are ready to go. I love a really dark mascara that makes your lashes really thick. But first I'm gonna curl the lashes. You gently close the lashes. I hold my hand up a little bit to curl them. You don't pump, you just leave them. Count to 5, and lashes are curly. I don't think a dark brown mascara does anything for anyone, so even if you're really fair and have light lashes, I always go for a really, really black mascara. Even if you are someone that likes minimal lashes, go for a very, very black mascara, but do 1 coat. If you have time, a little gloss is always super pretty. This one has a little bit of sparkle in it. See, I told you it was easy. All you have to do is use the right makeup and the right tools, and anyone could do natural, beautiful makeup.